hell?
Good night and
Good morning
goodbye.
and welcome.
What the hell? Oh. Okay. Streaming. Let's go. Okay. It's time we Nobody gonna put me down.
Good night and
So you've decided to go live on YouTube. Congratulations.
What the hell? Bro, 0 viewers. Dismiss. Studio. Ain't nobody gonna break my style. Oh no. There we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now we open up Godot. Does it work? Yes, it does, because we're the best. 2D scene. So we're gonna start this. If we... Whoa, no, I got to keep it moving.
good night.
Good
and
morning and
goodbye.
welcome.
Pixel art. It's like, it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool thing right here. And am I gonna bring my stuff? Fizzin'. Let's start drawing. Continue. This is the last thing I try to do. It's pretty terrible. So we're gonna just clear everything. Billy Badass. Fading away. This is pretty cool. It's like, it's alright. Alright. Let's try to make something. I think I want a pinkish ground. So if we just water bucket, release this. I was so cringe. I'm sorry for that. Okay. I'm just wondering. I'm just wondering. Okay, So we want a kind of grassy texture, I guess. So, oh my, look at all the skin tones. So we're gonna have to make it a tiny, teensy, wincy bit darker. And, whoops, we're gonna have to do something. No. Get away. Do something like this, just like sprinkle these like lines around. I've never done this before, except for that series in the start of the year. You already know what I'm talking about. Anybody gonna break my stuff? Oh no, I got to keep it moving. This just looks like a log, to be honest. I'm not cooking right now. This looks like shit. Okay, how to do pixel art.
Good morning and welcome.
Doom the Dark Ages. That's pretty cool. How to make pixel art. So, this is still the tutorial.
Welcome dummies, I'll be your host for this evening, and today we will be doing pixel art for the people who don't know how. Well, first of all, what is pixel art? Pixel art is a digital art form that most people use for video games and those pegboard bead things. Anyway, it's an art style that was heavily used in the early days of video games as they were very limited in their color. Do pixel art. Well, in my opinion, the personal best place to get started with pixel art has to be Sprite. You can use other tools like Photoshop if you have it, or even things like GIMP if you're on a budget of free, but you should see your software as an investment in making your life easier for the long run, so you might as well pick something up that is built for pixel art from the get-go.
Boom. This thing. It even is named pixel art, you know. It was meant to be, if you know what I'm saying.
Good night and goodbye.
Stream health. The stream is healthy. Any impressions? No? Okay. Well,
Alright, let's talk sizing. If you want to get into pixel art and have no idea where to begin, start with an 8x8 or 16x16 canvas. Eventually, you will be able to do art in a 32x32 or 64x64 canvas, but for now, I would honestly say that 16x16 is the best resolution to get used to, as you can still get in a lot of detail at this level without the headache of getting in over your head and having too much blank space to work with. Being on the topic of blank space, let's move on to a tip I will give you that you need to really soak in to take your art to the next level. You've probably heard this 1,000 times, but this is a tutorial for dummies, so I'm approaching this as if you don't know crap. Hey guys, we are having a brief intermission, so just stay tuned for the tips, but I need to talk about a few things before we move forward. So if you guys have been watching my channel, then you probably remember this guy. If we can smash 100 likes by the first...
okay, I'm gonna be honest, this guy doesn't teach me anything. I mean, okay, this looks so terrible. What if we make a little shadow, like this? Oops, like this. Is this cool? Is this like really cool? I think. I mean, it looks significantly better. And then we do like a little like lighting like this. And now we have square, you know. It's pretty cool, I think. Is my YouTube chat showing up here, please? All right. This looks like, yeah, this just looks super terrible. Stop with the ads. Okay. Oh, frick. All right, like that. This actually shouldn't be like this. So if we just like use our brains for a second, let's just get this out of here. It's ugly and useless. So we have like this empty space, and I have no idea what to do with it. We want to, you know, kind of do something with this, but okay, let's just use some
Good morning
references.
and welcome.
So, grass, like that, images. Okay. This isn't really helping me. Maybe if I do like low quality, low quality. Wait, is there somebody watching right now? No. It says somebody watched for 10 seconds. Wait a minute. Yes, it does. Grass, like that. Maybe if I do like low quality. Okay. Low quality.
Just don't want to watch my stream. I
Wait,
guess.
is there somebody watching right now? Oh, it's paused because of that. Right? No, it isn't. We need something like super easy, like this. No, if we do, let's watch potato. No, wait, that doesn't have pixel art. But look at the ground. It's so simple, just like a few rocks. I mean, could just have it be a few rocks, you know. What if it were like sprinkled on some, you know, a few of these guys. I've never seen something more ugly in my life. This is just, you know what, let's do a white floor pattern. Wait, yeah, bucket this and this and this. Wait, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay. Huh. This okay, let's just do grass. Like this just, it needs to be easier to do this. Okay, that's way too lime. Okay. So we have our little pencil. Let's make it a bit more light and do some like blades of grass, like this. I mean, that's pretty freaking epic if you ask me. Isn't that pretty cool? Oops. Oh man, I'm so good at this. Wait, it actually doesn't look that bad. I mean, I've seen worse. Like, look at this. And then we do like this. Do maybe another one that splits, but this one goes like that and that. And then just a little tiny blade. And it's boom, bada bing, bada boom. Might need some shading on that, which is why we're gonna do like this and go for a little bit of a darker color. Go a little bit like this. And that's actually gonna be a duplicate of it. Because, okay, if we just download this, I mean, I don't want to save this as a pixel file. Wait, cancel. No, I don't want to. I just want to download this. Oh, export download. Download PNG. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we've downloaded this. Now we need to make the different types of shading, I think. And download PNG. This should be like super easy. And then we need like shading over here. Download PNG. And next up it's over here. No, I don't want to leave the site. Download PNG, there we go. Now we just clear these out, I think. And then I think I didn't do up here. Let's download PNG from that. Yep, okay. And also this one. This is extremely cringe if I'm doing this wrong, because I feel like I'm doing this wrong. There should be an easier way to do this, but I guess we're gonna have to deal with this for now. Then we go and clear this one. Shouldn't need to use this line anymore. And we go like this. Oh my god, I'm so smart. Like, I'm genuinely so smart. I'm genuinely so smart. And then we go up here and we do like this, and oh my god, only like 2 frames left or something. I think it's like, yeah, here. And download PNG, and I've downloaded like 6 PNGs now. I'm so dumb, but like that's okay. Now we just need to clear this thing. How do I do that? Let's just take an eraser tool and yeah, that was pretty easy. I mean, I guess it was kind of easy. So let's let's keep going. We need to make a character. For that, I'm gonna do an apple. Do a beautiful apple. Let's start by making the shape. As we all know, the apple is like kind of like this, you know, like we'll see in a bit. It goes like further down and like this. Just gassed my room here. Get out. This? Nope, there's something completely wrong here. Can we move this around? I think we can. Yes, we can. I'm like super smart. Okay. I think it's like this. Boom. That's the ugliest apple I've ever seen. Okay, we need to actually do something. Okay, we have this, which is wait. Oh yeah, it's because it's uneven. So, what we do? Watch this. Oh, and oh. So that's so cursed. It's just try to copy everything. It's like 1, 2, 3, and there we go. We have an apple. It looks like shit, but no, it's an apple. It's an apple. There has to be a better way to do this. What if we have it like this? Ooh. I just cooked. I know it. I just know I cooked. This is so cool. What if we did it like this? Okay, let's just go for a apple pixel art. Yeah, like those are all pretty freaking terrible. I'm sorry to the people that made those. I was joking, of course. I saw something. Okay, what if this and then we go inside here and we go boom, boom, boom. It's basically perfect. Like, can't argue with that one. Let's bucket this. That's the wrong color. Whoops. Oh my. Bucket this. Easy. So cool. And we need a tiny bit of shading, so we're gonna do like this. Select color, and we're gonna go like boop boop boop. Oh my god. Oh my god. This looks so good. Wow. I'm just an artist, guys. And we want to be like really smart with this, so let's just bring this up so that we can like add legs to this dude. He's gonna have like these little legs. Whew, that's so cool. Oh my god, let's give him sunglasses. I'm literally talking about this to nobody, but I'm super excited right now because I got the idea to add sunglasses. Those terrible sunglasses. Wait, hold on. And those are pretty freaking tough if you ask me. If you ask me, I'd say those are super tough. We're also gonna have to make them like extend outwards and like do this. And we have our apple, I guess. Let's make it a little bit brighter and then do like this because it's like lighting and, you know, texturing and stuff like that. And then let's do the shadows to the shadow realm or whatever. Boom, boom, boom. And it goes like boom, boom, boom. Oh my. I'm an artist. I'm literally an artist. I just made like the coolest friggin' apple ever. Oh my god. Also, a leaf. that actually looks so bad, but you know, I don't have more space. I don't know what to tell you guys. No, not import from gallery. Let's export, download as PNG, and let's get into the project. So, we have currently an empty project, and what do we do about that? We make a player. Let's make a player. So character body 2D. This guy is gonna. What's wrong? This has no shape. Yeah, I know that. Let's give him a sprite 2D. Create. So a sprite. We're gonna have to add a texture to this. No, we're gonna have to import. We're gonna get our file explorer. They should not be on this screen. Whoops. This thing. We're gonna drag it in here. Oh my god. No way. Look at that. I'm gonna have to undo that. We're gonna have to change some project settings. I don't remember what project setting it was, but it was something. It was like, it was window, no, rendering based on locale. Nope. Whoopsie. It has to be somewhere here. How did I change it from like, oh, textures nearest, and but being yeah, we're close, and we're gonna, oh guys, look at this. Oh my. Let's run the game. Select the current scene. Wait, no, cancel. No. We're gonna import, we're gonna save this guy. Actually, I'm trying to remember what I learned from the tutorial. I'm gonna name this player apple, because what if we had like more fruits that we can, you know, play as? You know what I'm saying? Okay, we can't name it player/apple, but player_apple is fine enough. I'm gonna go away for a bit. Wait, yep, there we go. See you in a bit. Alright, I am back. That is the wrong screen. Minecraft stream, there we go. No way, there's a viewer! Bro, I leave and a viewer comes. That's so... I don't know, it's lucky, but it's like kinda also unlucky. So this is Apple Man, or whatever you want to call him. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do next. I think I should give him a collision shape. Okay. So, if we go, it should be a circle, right? If you have any like tips or whatever, please tell me them. Ooh, it's gonna have to be a problem because I was trying to link these up as best as I can. Also, just to check, I can't see the chat, so I might have missed some chats from you. Sorry, bro. No chats. No, I'm just stupid, I guess. All right, let's try to configure this. Let's actually. Oh, oops. Oh no. Player apple. Why can't I move the player? Let's just move it. Okay, let's go. Oh wait, move to. I think I'm smart. Yes. Okay. Nice. That worked flawlessly because I'm like the best. I'm gonna have to move this over here so I can see the chats. I'm gonna, yeah, just wait a bit. All right. Oh, I think he left. That's okay. That's okay. Goodbye, I guess. Let's make this a little bit. Yeah, that should be a good size. I mean, I don't know if I can make it any better. We don't have. That's all we have. So wait, what? There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong. Let's save this scene. Save and let's import it. Okay, I should actually have a. Should have added some folders. Scenes. Okay. Scripts. And assets. I think I wrote that wrong, but I kind of don't care, you know, because I'm a bad boy. Scenes. There we go. And I'm gonna have to drink my juice now because I'm kind of thirsty, you know. Did some homework and you know that kind of made me thirsty. What a fun sound I made there. Okay, we have our player Apple in the scene. If we, oh yeah, game in scenes. So save it. There's our Apple guy. Okay, that's pretty damn cool. I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's all I have to say about this. Can't really do anything with this right now, so let's make a camera. Am I right? That's a good idea. Camera. There we go. Create it. That's. I was gonna have it like. No, let me. Okay, the game was like pretty weird. Okay, so the camera is attached to the player. It's a little big right now. Let's be like that's actually huge. I'm gonna have to change that a tiny bit. Let's just make it like top of the player, and maybe if I'm being honest, this should be a little bit smaller. Wait, it's not getting smaller. Oh, that's the skew. Oops. Oh, that's the rotation. I swear I was changing the scale. Oh, there it is. So if we get to 0.3. It's literally not changing. What's going on here? Okay, let's have it like 1. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Okay. 0.5. Boom. And play it. It's not changing anything. Oh, I needed to change the zoom. This doesn't change anything, if I'm being honest. So zoom, it's gonna have to be 5. Okay, that actually looks promising. That's pretty damn cool. It might need to be a tiny bit further away because we want to see what enemies are, you know, coming towards us. That's pretty cool. I think a tile map should be a pretty cool idea right now. So let's make a tile map. There we go. Tile map, and this is where things might get a tiny bit harder. Let's import all of our things into assets. It went into assets. No, it went into scenes. I'm dumb. Assets. So I don't know if I can select multiple files to have as you know, in our tile map. I don't know if I don't know if that means anything to you. So if we go, how do I do this? Tile map. Let's patterns, tiles. Ooh, this isn't very good. If I maybe drag this into here. Nope, shader and oh wait, new tile set. Oh yeah. So we just have to like add this into here. Yes, base tiles, alternative tiles. I just want everything, you know, to be selectable. So if we go tile map, what do you mean base tiles and alternative tiles? This is like super confusing to me. I just want to make some sort of square. Wait, this might actually work. If we, oh, I just realized something. I downloaded and made all of the like edges, but I didn't actually make the middle, I think. Oh no, I did. No problem. So, if we just we want to make a little square, put it here. Oh, but that, oh, I need to select it individually. Sorry, that's my bad. Okay, let's just start with this one. Let's make a tiny little square here. Boom, boom. Actually, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like, I don't know, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16. Yeah, 15, 16. Actually, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This must be like super unentertaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, sorry, I need to count for a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's exactly what I was looking for. What is this one? This is the empty one. This one is on the side. We want the corners. This one. Boom. Where's the other corner? There it is. Boom. Now we want the sides. There they are. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There we go. 18. And now we need a corner. We're actually getting kind of viewers here. Nobody's chatting, but that's okay. You know, if you can't chat, please do so. It would be cool to know that you're like interested and have any ideas on what I might be doing wrong, because like this is my first game that isn't a tutorial. It's not gonna be like a completed game. It's just, you know, it's something that I'm working on. I am super dumb. You see that? That's the shadow on the bottom. We need to replace every single one of these, and that one also. Off. Okay, that should be enough. Right. That's not the right sprite. I might need to lock in a little bit here. This is looking it's looking like a game, I guess. It's 2 viewers. No way. Hello. Welcome my friends, I guess. What the I don't know how to be around chatters or whatever you want to call yourselves. It's a little bit weird. So what yeah, I need this tile. I'm kind of learning this stuff. It's a difficult process because I haven't learned it yet, you know. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I think that's correct. If it lines up, it's correct. Ooh, I don't know if that... Oh, no, it does. It does. My bad. So, we're almost done with the hardest part, the outline. You ever made a puzzle? And you know, the outline's always the hardest part. You know what I'm saying? Just don't know. Make this as fast as I can so I can do more entertaining stuff. Let's get that full frame in and boom. We have a map. If we run the game, oh my god, that's ooh. So that's my bad. Tile map. We need to actually select the frame. That's my bad. How about now? Okay. Now here's the problem. We still can't see the player. So what if I okay, I think this should make it work. Yes, it does. Are you looking at this? Get a round of applause for me. Now I need... Hello! Kyle Wright. Hello. Welcome to the stream. You have any interest in game development? Because I kind of do, but I'm taking my time to learn this right now. You got movement? No, I'm about to set it up right now. I think it's as simple as just doing like basic movement here. I just need to, make it go up and down and not, get this physics stuff. I think I can confidently delete this and this thing too. And physics process delta also actually, yeah, just like take this. Oh wait, I just need this out of here. Okay, I should have. Okay, yeah. If we just take this out, there we go. Oh wait, I've been doing Godot about for a year, by the way. If you need any help, yes, I would like some help if I ran into any problems. Is that for platform movements? Yeah, but can I just like configure it for, I don't know, whatever this is, Vampire Survivors or whatever I'm trying to make here. So, can I just do this but like velocity up and down? Wait, okay, let's see it. So if I just run this, this is pretty cool, am I right? What have I done? So this is okay. I think I know what to do. So so I just duplicate this, but don't I? Oh hi, MKHL296. What is up? I'm trying to code some movement here. So if I just, so it's not like just like this, but just like change some stuff. Oh, what just happened? Oh crap. Wait, I can just like take this, right? So I have two Godot experts here in my stream. This is what I've made so far. This is an apple and it's on the ground, so it's pretty cool, I just need to somehow make, yeah, you said velocity x+1 delta. Yeah. Okay, so velocity dot x+1 delta. Okay, so +1 delta. Does this work? Only identifier attribute access and subscription access can. What does this mean? This is velocity. Okay. Why? Yeah. I don't know what delta means. I just don't know how to use it properly, I think. So, isn't this just like the same? Does it work now? You think it works? No, wait. No. I need to get like the input in. Oh, okay. I can do that. Velocity x plus equals direction speed dot delta. Okay, so it's like this, like this. So x, oh, maybe this. Oh, it works. I think, yeah, I need to set up an input, right? You could do oh, so the variable as this little formula you did, which is like super smart. So I need to do a variable var up. No, wait, no. Wait. Okay. Delta is the temperature. Yes. You would do var plus equals 1 times delta. Wow, this is just some. Okay, I need to do a direction up, like make it go up and down. Do I need to set up an input? Is that's like my biggest question right now. An input, is that like some requirement? I'm sorry, I'm eating. I know it's rude. I'm a little bit hungry. Just wait a minute. So. Yeah. Delta. I have like watched, the Brackeys tutorial. I did make a game on that. I did the tutorial like that. And I also like watched like half of the GD script tutorial. I just haven't finished it. So now I just need to think a little bit. If direction is velocity dot x equals, oh my god, anybody in the comments know? Oh yeah, I was like, oh, what you eating? Oh yeah, it's Coca-Cola gummies. Yeah, that's, yeah, Coca-Cola gummies. But I just need to think a little bit here. If direction, what does this mean? If direction is velocity, what does this line of code mean? Because, why does it move? Is it the plus equals? Because I know that if means if the velocity is this, or no, if the velocity, oh, I did something. If the velocity is direction times speed dot delta, else, what? Oh wait. I might be pissing you guys off with being so dumb right now. I like kind of feel bad doing this. I might just need to if a direction is being pressed, change the x value by speed in the direction left or right. Okay, I think I kind of get it. Oh, okay. The direction var. Oh, the direction var is the input get access UI left, UI right. So if I just do var direction underscore up, and I just do like equals input dot get get axis. Okay, get axis, and I need this UI up. I'm like really guessing right here. UI up and UI down. So what's the problem right now? Look at what? What should I look at? Input. Oh wait. Capital I. That was a big problem. Velocity. Oh, wait. What am I supposed to look at? Oh, in the first direction. So I can. Oh. So I should just delete this. So yeah, should I just like delete this or something? I don't. Because I feel like. So, if the direction is velocity x, what is velocity x actually? Yeah, direction dot speed. Else, oh my god, I'm like. Oh my. I'm procrastinating my project watching you. Yeah, so don't use 2D. Use 3D. Should I use 3D in 2D? Okay, so should I just like delete the script? Or no, make everything 3D? That's like crazy because I've never done anything 3D. Whoa, okay, let's copy. Don't use 3D. It's a lot more complex. Yeah, that's I kind of thought that. So wait. Watch this, guys. This stream was a lot less. Oh, I should have maybe done something about that, because this should this be like down here, right? I just no, you did not hear a car. Yes, you did hear a cat. That's my keyboard thing. Wait. Yeah, like it's a little weird. Wait, yeah, the code you sent should work. So there's a problem with it. I'm not even sure what the error is here. So I don't own a cat, but I like try to.
Good morning and welcome.
Yeah.
Good night and goodbye.
So these sounds that are going on right now, these are my little. This is okay. I need to explain right now. So. We have right
Good
here.
morning and welcome.
It's like a mod for Opera GX that makes weird sounds. That's all I can say. Oh, is it just one line though? Oh, var input. Oh, so it should. Yeah. So what's the problem I have right here? It's invalid character. This thing is there anything wrong right here? Okay, that's it, line by line. Var input direction, get, yeah. I think I have that right here. Well, it'll go like, as long as I'm home alone, because, you know, I have, you know, nobody knows about this channel, and if anybody found out, they might get a little mad. So I'm trying to use my time while every single one of my family member is doing, yeah, they're on like a dance competition. So, and the reason I'm home is because I had to do homework, but I decided to do my homework super fast, and that's, yeah, I just did it fast and used the rest of the time to code and stream, because I haven't streamed in like a while. The syntax is wrong when you, and it'll be pain to fix it via YouTube chat. Yeah, the syntax is wrong. I completely know what that means. Syntax means words, I think. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea. So I'm guessing, so let's say, what the hell? Wait, yeah, it doesn't count as a variable though. I can just like, why doesn't it want to become a variable? Yeah, copy the code you sent. Oh, so is this supposed to be down here? Because to velocity input direction. Oh, so it's not equal speed. I'm like super confused. Boom. Okay, I should just delete the entire line. Okay. Delete everything. Yes, I got this. Oh, okay. I can just like this is no problem. I can just like do this. Control C, bro. It saves me every single day. I should actually kind of make this smaller. Bye, MKHL. It was nice having you, okay? From the top of the script to the bottom, it should like this. Extend character body to T. Export var C speed. Oh, wait. So export var speed equals, nope, equals 400. There's something wrong. Yeah, I wrote that wrong. Export. So func get input, boom, var input direction equals input dot get vector left comma right. I feel weird just typing out everything that I say. Up, frick, down. All right. And then we do the velocity. I'm lost right now. Whoa. Yeah, velocity equals input Oh yeah, UI left like this. Oh, hello, Trelord. Get vector. What does that mean? I'm like super new to this stuff. I'm just like input direction. Get vector should be. Oh, that's my bad. Thank you for the pointing that out. Oh yeah. That's like super smart of you guys. UI and then underscore, because like that changes anything. It definitely does. All right, input direction. Oh, soy Mako, you have to do input because get vector is a static method of the class. What? Oh yeah. I also made that mistake earlier, like that. Input, and then we need to keep copying the input direction. Whoa, I'm just like super lost. Yeah, the input direction times speed equals 400. No, my bad. Oh yeah, yes, Kyle writes, I should just copy the stuff you just sent. Control C, okay. And then, wait, should this function be within the other function? Or maybe it is. Get input. Whoops. Oh yeah, I'm just like completely forgetting stuff right now. I've never had so many viewers. It's like super cool. Move and slide. Like that? No, not like that. Function should not be in the function. No, of course not. Why would I ever do that? Oh, I can't add. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. I don't know why I did the other thing. Invalid character again. What? Oh, okay. Move and slide. Okay, so what is this invalid character? Now I'm confused. Oh, is this the problem? Because it's like interconnected or whatever. Rewrite that. Move and slide. Just like write it again. Just move and slide like that. Oh, but this is something. Should I just like delete this? I'm guessing that makes sense, just like deleting that. Okay, I can do that. So, anything wrong? Okay, does it work? Oh my god. I need to fix those lines, but otherwise it's like super cool. There's one problem, it's like, I think if I just, yeah, it's like going a little bit up every time. Yeah, it's going a little bit up. That's the only problem. It's going, yeah, it's going a little bit like up and wait, if I go, there's nothing wrong with these, but this is like a little bit buggy, clearly. And I also need to change the inputs because this is just like so annoying using the arrow keys. So if we look the code, okay, we'll change that in a tiny bit. I just need to fix this thing. Wait, what? Yeah, I need to fix this. Boom, I think I just fixed it. Now if we run it, yeah, it looks good. You know, compared to the lines. So going back to the script, I must have done something wrong. Make sure you don't have a controller connected. I do have a controller connected. Wow. Let's check that now. Oh, the controller was the problem. So wait, are you saying that I have stick drift on my controller? Is that I don't really know how I feel about that, because I have like extreme stick drift on the other controller, so I guess I don't have a controller with no stick drift. But nonetheless, the game works basically, except you can walk off the map and all that. So I think what I want to do, I think I might have to do like borders right now, so you don't walk off the map. I think that's next. Damn, I have stick drift. Oh man, that's not very good, huh? Might have to try to fix that. But in the meantime, let's oh yeah, times the speed by delta. Oh yeah. Like here. Is that? No, it's delta with a capital D. Delta. Nope. Do I have to like make something that is called delta? Oh, is it here? No. What the hell? What the helly? Delta. Add the delta to the get input delta. Oh, okay. Get input here. Here? Delta. Like that? I'm guessing that's correct. That should make sense. Yeah, it's on physics process, delta, yes. Okay, here, yep, I accidentally had that. Func get input. Oh. Huh? Expected at most 0, but received 1. Func get input. In the func get. Oh, yeah. Delta like that. So, like that. But should I delete it in the physics process? Or maybe just to test, does this break the game? No, it doesn't. So yeah, just in all places where it says get input, add delta inside the brackets. Okay, yeah, I can definitely do that. Now, times speed by delta. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay, that's cool. Does it work now? Oh, that is like super slow. Might have a tiny bit of a problem, guys. Oh wait. So if I just like remove it from here, that's wrong. Oops, like that, and it crashes. So now I'm supposed to have delta here. Oh, just make the speed higher. Okay. Okay, so let's make it 2000. Is that way too fast? It might be. Who knows? Nope. It should be a tiny bit faster. Let's make it 4000. You're passing the value delta from the... So this is kind of slow. Okay, we're gonna have to make this like... I think 5000 has to be the limit. That has to be the limit, right? Yeah, like, I don't want to be moving too fast. So this is like a kind of a good speed. And maybe, you can like, I don't know, upgrade and something like that. You can either make the speed higher or use velocity dot move towards input direction. Yeah. No matter the frame rate, the speed will always be the same. That is good to hear because I want people to experience this masterpiece of a game in full. 10,000? Coward. Okay. 10,000. What's this? Oh, okay. It's, it's cool, I guess. Yeah, that's pretty fast. How about if we meet, some sort of middle ground? 8.5 thousand. I think that should be, like I don't feel like it changed anything. But it's some sort of speed. You're exporting the speed variable. You can also change the speed in the editor. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, I can. That's cool. So I can turn it into 7,500. Like, what? I don't feel like there's any difference between these and 10,000. Let's try that again. Yeah, I'll have it at 10,000. 8.532.7. Oh wait, no. What am I saying? Point. 8532.735. Okay. 8532.735. Okay. What's this? Yeah, you're kind of right. That is the perfect number, if I'm being honest. Now, moving on, I think. Maybe I'm not done with this. Should I I want to add borders here because I don't want to walk off the map. That's kind of a lame way to die. So I'm guessing I'm guessing there's a way to do this here, but maybe there isn't. Because you can add a. Oh yeah, that's that makes a lot of sense, adding a node. So we'll do a new node called collision shape 2D. Yeah, I know that. Yes. Rectangle shape. Let's make it pretty damn big. And do I need to make 4 versions of that? Wait, how does this look? Well, I think I did something wrong, but I don't know what. Oh. Static body? Do I need to make it a child of a static body, maybe? That makes sense to have it. What if I just Control D this and just rotate it? I don't know how to rotate. This is the best I can do right now. It's gotta be child of a static body 2D. Or that makes sense. Static. I know. I'm fixing it. Wait, nope. That's not called fixing it. That's. Oh man, this is. There we go, and boom. Yep. So we need to make a few more of these. Control D this thing and move it over here. This game has to be super buggy, right? So now we can go. Oh, what? You want to go off the map? You can't because you're a loser. Boom. Unparent the camera from the player. There's a better way to implement camera movement. Let me open my project. I haven't done Godot in a while. Okay, I'll unparent this thing. This is your fault. It doesn't have a parent anymore, but now the game's broken. This is kind of cool, but yeah. So now we're gonna have to make the camera. Yeah, we gotta use vector math to check the camera position and add a velocity to the camera, the player position. Oh, Oh, what the? Oh, okay, it was a joke. Yep. Okay, that's. I was like kind of stressed there. Just drank a bunch of Capri Sun. Like I'm super proud of this. So why doesn't just adding like smooth camera movement work? Maybe that's impossible. I don't know. So let's maybe check. Let's just while this guy opens up his Godot project, we're gonna just kind of like walk around. Hey, maybe we can make an enemy. Oh, okay, good. Because the vector math, you know, the vector math is like, I don't know. Do I have any previous programming? Wow, I need to learn how to read. Do I have any previous experience in programming? Holy, no, I don't. Except, oh no, I do. I went to a computer class in 8th grade, and I like made a banana move through the screen. That was pretty cool. That's all. I did also do one thing though. No, you don't have to explain pathfinding. I know exactly how to do this. I make it go towards the player by saying go towards the player. So
Good morning
night.
and welcome.
These sounds, bro, I need to change this. But if you go into pixel art, we can go here and do some pixel art. This is I did not make this. What? I did not make this. Why is it saying that? I know how to make pathfinding. It's like you check the player's position, and you like say go to this position in the enemy. So this is how I designed the apple. I don't have a sprite. I really want it, but like this is like the best thing I could find. I don't want to use GIMP. GIMP sucks. I freaking hate it. But if we why I think Kyle's a little bit worried. Wait, no, reparented. Oh, I'm supposed to reparent it? Godot has agent and nav mesh code. I know what that means. That means that I can't do the thing that I just explained. Yeah, I reparented it, so that's kind of cool. You can add some smoothing in the expector cam. Yeah, I just forgot to do that, I think. Boom. Is it like cool now? Oh yeah, it is pretty cool now. I just need to like make it if you hate yourself, you can use it. If you don't hate yourself, you can use it. Well, I think I can use it. I don't know if you got Discord. I can record a quick clip. Yeah, I do have Discord. So yeah, sure, you can. I can also drag. What does that mean? Oh yeah, drag here. What does dragging mean? I need to. That would be pretty useful to know. Whoops. Switch accounts. Sorry for the little waiting thing I'm making you do. Yeah, what does drag do? So I'm trying to add you on Discord while I try to read what drag is. Primo volcano. Primo volcano. I think it's best explained if you mess around with it. So horizontal. Let's try this. Oh, so it's like just like a little bit late. Is that correct? Oh wait. Yeah, I think I kind of get it. What I don't get is like why it's used. I mean, yeah, sure, it looks like somewhat cool. You see, yeah, I see that delay. Yeah, maybe if I up this, what the if I just up this a little bit. I don't know what that did. Let's just like make it to the max just to see how it works. Okay, so I don't really know what that does. I see it, but you know, I mean, sure. I mean, I guess I see like less of this little gray area, and that means I have to do less pixel art and all that. So the camera isn't jerky. Oh, what does that mean? Jerky? That's a cool term. Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, I think that, yeah, drag is kind of cool. It's pretty cool. I have to restart the project? Really? Are you sure? Yeah, I know what you mean. Having the camera move. Yeah, that actually makes sense. Okay, let's get back to trying to. Oh, okay. Okay. All right, Mr. Kyle Wright, I have sent you a friend request so you can show me a clip of nav mesh and node and the stuff that I use if I hate myself. Change the margins and restart. What are margins? Oh, left margin. Let's change all of it to 60 because that's like super much. Oh, wow. You know, that's cool, but like what if I'm like walking right up to an enemy and I don't know it, you know? That might be a little bit risky to have, you know. It might lead to some complaints by the 0 people that would play this game, which I'm not giving this stuff out. This is just to learn, you know. But yeah, I feel like I would not enjoy playing this game if I just like was like walking here and there's an enemy, if you know what I'm saying. So I think, you know, resetting these is like at least a little bit better. Should I make it lower or is just like default pretty good? I think default is like okay. Maybe 0.15 is like pretty cool. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot about Discord. I'm like, is this what like having a job is like? Hello, Prime. Okay, so I'm here chatting to Kyle Wright, nav agent. If you add a nav region, break the polygons and add a character body 2D. What is this? Wow. Okay. So I'm gonna have to talk to you a little bit. If you add a new region, so does this like connect to the enemy? Does this have to do with the enemy or something else? I'm like really busy here. This is like I'm just trying to learn game development. Okay, yeah, 35. Yeah. 35. Let's try that right now. Oh, what the hell? Okay. What is it? What is going on? Okay, and like that. We'll change it a little bit. Yeah, that's like pretty cool. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I think 35 was a pretty good call, if I'm being honest. Nice one, deploy build. Man, damn, I'm like a big streamer right now. 6 viewers. You could also type in the values. Oh yeah, I know that. I just like, I don't know, didn't think of it while I was doing that. Alright, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do next. So I think adding enemies might definitely be a good call because so far this game is kind of boring. But you know, I know that enemies are pretty damn difficult. At least, you know, enemy setup. Oh, there's and add a character body 2D. What is this? So
Wow. Okay.
I'm gonna have to go away for a tiny bit. So while you wait, enjoy this super cool screen of me. Just for a little bit, okay? So I'm gonna have to talk to you a little bit. If you add a new region, so does this like connect to the enemy? No, does this have to do with the enemy? Or okay, thank you, uh, Kyle Wright and Prime, whatever you want to be called. Thank you. I will use this as soon as I need to because I'll try to use this as soon as I need to. I almost ended the stream. Wow, that was I was almost bad call there. 5. Oh no, like Flappy Bird. I probably recommend making a simpler game first. Well, but like this is like cool, making enemies and stuff. Like I feel like if I just like try to make it as simple as I can, I think I might be able to do this. Flappy Bird just seems boring to me, but I think if I try hard enough, I might be able to make some sort of simple version of this game. Because, we struggled at the start making the up and down movements, because, I don't know, I was trying to do it like the completely wrong way, but Kyle Wright here helped me, and he's probably gonna help me with a lot of other stuff. Right now, I think we should jump into some pixel art and try to make a bat. So let's create new drawing. Okay, no, did I say bat? We're gonna try to make some sort of like sweets, some sort of candy, healthy food versus unhealthy food, that kind of stuff. So maybe if we have, what should we do? What should we do? I'm definitely thinking I'm definitely thinking a what was it called? I'm completely forgetting here. I'm thinking we do a lollipop. That might be a little hard though. So maybe let's just like
Good morning
candy.
and welcome.
I need to change that. Candy images. I mean anything colorful could work. Maybe chocolate. Yeah, Trellord. Yeah, if I keep it simple, yeah. I think keeping it simple is the best way to go around this, and might be messy, of course. Yes. Yeah. Good morning. Yeah. So it's actually almost what's called lunch or whatever. Whoa. Yeah, it's like 12 where I'm from. I don't know if that's morning. But for me, I've been awake for like 6 hours. So it's like, yeah, but just good morning to you, Trellord. Okay, let's make a lollipop. Some sort of kind of lollipop, right? Or maybe we could make this actually might be the best call. So if we make like a simple blue and orange color scheme, like just like this, and let's just start by making the shape, which will be like like this, and then like this. Like I'm trying to make something pretty cool. So just like starting off, wait, that makes no sense. There we go. It's a little bit more. Oh, that doesn't work. It needs to be like this. Oh no, I can just extend it like this. So like that. That's pretty cool. Am I right? That's pretty damn cool. Except for, you know, I need to kind of change the color. I think it's a little bit too dark to be like a candy, a visual candy. Oops. So maybe we could just like do a bucket. No, that doesn't work. It sort of works. So, and if we just do like, oh, yeah, we could do like this instead of the other thing I was trying to do. So maybe if we have it like this, it would actually look pretty good. And that's, you know, the main goal, of course. So, let's just... But of course, this doesn't make sense if it's just like an empty candy. It needs to have eyes, which are gonna go over here, and he's gonna have like pretty chunky legs compared to Apple Man. And let's give him a mouth, which will be like, I don't know, like this. Does this guy look good? No. How about if we have him like have a very bright red mouth? It's just like it's blending a little bit too well with the orange and blue. So if we have him like a black mouth is like pretty damn cool, but like what if we have him have what if we make him have no mouth? Or no, just a small mouth. That is actually kind of cool. So now he's like a cute little small-mouthed guy. Angry eyes. Okay. That's gonna be hard considering I only have like. Okay, no, actually, I can probably do this. Is this angry eyes? No. What the? So what if we just make it like this? This is angry. I think maybe this is some weird ass angry eyes. What the hell? I'm also like drawing this completely wrong. If you just cover up this, like this is kind of angry. Am I right? Maybe we could make this black. Now it just looks like he's like now it just looks like he's like weird or something. Oops. This is so weird. I mean, this is goofy and all. I mean, ooh, wait. Now these are some angry eyes. 3 pixels. Oh, so you mean like 3 pickles? So what if? I think I know what you're meaning. What you're saying. Damn. So you're talking about like 3 pixels wide. Except I need to remove this, and also I need to remove this and this. So now he's kind of scary. To be honest, he looks like he's just like fed up with the apple being like healthy and all, and he just like has a depressing life. This guy, he's just like staring into my soul right now. I don't know. I don't know if I like this. What do you guys think about this one? Just like let me know. Let me know. What the? I don't even know. We could change the color scheme to my favorite color scheme, yellow and purple. That would be pretty cool. Oh no, I meant with the triangle eyes I had before. Oh yeah. So you mean like? So you mean like? I need to say this so I don't accidentally stop talking. Yeah, so you mean like this? That just like looks like he has like little flies that settled on his head. I mean, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, having them all white was like, he looks like he's like superhero villain type of guy. Oh, the black pixels towards the middle. So here, oh, that's actually kind of cool. But how does this look? No, that's way too innocent. Whoa. So this is like pretty cool. It looks a tiny bit weird, but let's be honest. Do we really need make them all red? Oh yeah, wait, look at this. Oh my god. Yes. And then no wait, what if he's like normal, but then when I shoot him, he becomes like this. Ooh. That might be a little bit hard to program. No. I just do like, if health is at this level, make animated sprite be like this or whatever. I don't know. Nah, I don't see it. Like, man. Red eyes. Yeah, okay. I should have the red eyes. Okay. We like that. Okay. Easy to program. Yeah. I can probably do that by myself. I hope. Not sure. Whoa! Crazy code you sent there, Kyle, right? Yes, sir. We will definitely use that. Chat is delayed. Oh. How do I fix that? And because like I feel like chat is delayed. How do I fix that? Thank you, Kyle, right, for the pathfinding setup. If you guys have any idea how to fix chat being delayed, that would be insanely helpful, because I have no experience in streaming. You can't? Oh. Why not? Do I have to like start a new stream to do that or something? Okay, let's keep going. I forgot what I was gonna do. Let's keep going. Yes. So now we import. Yeah, everything you say is a little bit delayed. Yeah. I just need to wrap that around my head. You know. Yeah. Okay. So I download this. We need to import. Can I like import? I'm just gonna bring out the file explorer to yeah, internet isn't instant. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that is sad though. You know, it would be really cool if it was, if I'm being honest. So we just import this into the assets folder, and now we why can't I close this? Okay. Now we start making an enemy. New scene, and we do what is it? Does it have to be like a character body? Because you know. Oh yeah, wait. You know, is pathfinding hard? Because like, okay, let's look at the set code Mr. Prime sent us. Also, by the way, if you want to join my Discord server, it's over there. The link is in my profile. I don't really expect that you wanna, but bro, if you join it, I will be like really happy, and I'll start uploading again. So let's check the code. Okay, so this guy says like extends character body. What the hell? Physics process delta void navigation agent player. Oh my god. What the hell? Fish. What? You made that? What the? Let's give this guy a round of applause if this guy made this. That's like super cool. Whoa, nice game. All right. So let's check. So this guy gave me a lot of like tutorials and stuff. So, I need to watch it again. Polygons and add a character body. So, character body 2D. We need to make a node 2D and a character body 2D. Let's start with that. Grab fish. What does that mean? Grab fish? Yeah. What? Okay. You know what? I'll grab the fish when I can. So, let's make a node 2D. Frick. I'm lost here. Node 2D and what? Character body? Oh yes, character body. Help. Oh, you grabbed the fish. You spent 5 hours on the fish. I'm not saying. Yeah, no, that makes sense. 5 hours on a fish isn't really sane. You know, when I was doing the Brachy's tutorial on Godot, which is how I learned this, like semi-learned this. I don't really know if I learned it. So, anyways, when I was doing that tutorial, I was trying to do a death animation. And because I was like so stupid, it took me like I don't know 3-4 hours to get it working, but you know it was worth it because it's a freaking death animation and it was like super cool. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Okay, so character body 2D. Okay, now back to the tutorial. Navigation agent. You know, maybe I should have watched the video where the guy explains every single Godot node before I did this, but that's okay because I grab fish. These guys just saying grab fish, you know, that's kind of funny. By the way, the Discord invite. Oh, the Discord invite in my channel is expired. So how do I fix that? I'll do that now. So we go into Discord. Do I like have to like what the what is this? Oh, I know what this is. Let's just delete these. All of these. This might take a while. And now we create a new Discord link, which is like super easy because invite people. Hidden. Oh yeah, hidden use copy. Yeah, I'm in streaming mode. I need to learn how to like talk while I'm streaming. I'm like talking to myself like super.
Good morning and
not loud.
welcome.
If we go into customization, just wait a little bit. I'm trying to do the thing. So in the description, links. So let's get this one and publish. I think this should work. So yeah, if you have any interest, you can check it out. Yeah, navigation agent 2D. Let's keep going with the tutorial. Here we go. How do I make this invite never expire? Is that like possible even? I didn't even know that. That's cool. Okay, I need to focus up if I ever want to finish this. I need to make... No, don't tell me... Yeah, 2D. Collision shape 2D. Okay, I can do that. Okay. I can do that. Oh, permanent links. How do I access those? Doesn't the Discord server have to be like better or something like that? Okay, like that. Like this. By the way, guys, since you've like been watching for such a long time right now, if I end the stream just like completely out of nowhere, that's because like I'm not home alone anymore. Just beware that the stream might end just at any minute. So yeah, yeah, just keep that in mind. So let's keep going. Mesh instance 2D. What does a mesh instance do? That would be cool to know that. Yep, mesh instance. No, not another dose of my voice. I hate this. I genuinely hate this. Better or... How do I access those? Doesn't the Discord server have to be like better or something like that? Okay, like that. Oh, thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me make permanent links. Let's do that right now. We are gonna edit invite link. Never generate a new link. Copy. And now we change our description. Now we publish this. Okay, nice. Back to making something ish. Oh my god, 2,000 hours. There's a problem. I don't know how much time I've spent on Godot because 2,000 hours in a year is also crazy. I don't know how much time I've spent on Godot because yeah, I don't know how to know that. I don't have it on Steam though. So let's see this again. And add a character body 2D. Let's see it. Collision. Yeah, what does a nav mesh do? Whoa, or a mesh instance, whatever. Oh, what the hell? What the helly? New box mesh. I can do that. I can for sure do that. Look at my little enemy here. Nice. That's for sure a box. Okay, let's continue. Oh, welcome Prime to the Discord. Let's go. We're gonna have to wave to you. Wow, what an amazing fish. Grab fish. Fuck. Oh, that's a no word. I was like trying to say. I was trying to keep not swearing on my channel. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's okay. You guys are chill. You don't care. You won't say tell anybody. Yeah, the mesh instance is pretty much just a box. That's pretty cool. What happens if I... Oh, no, it's just a... Is it a box or is it a... Or is it just like a square? Huh. Okay. Well, time to continue with the, oh my god, fish grab. Oh. I don't have any images of fish, so let's just get a fish. No, stickers. Emoji. We can put a GIF, right? What's this? I'm so funny, ha ha ha. That was cringe. Well, okay. Use a texture, not a mesh. Oh, use a texture, not a mesh. Okay. I can do that. Just Control X, and add a child node, texture. I don't know how to texture. Oh, texture. What is? Wait, use a texture, but those are. Are you sure? Are you sure? Texture rect or texture button or no? What should I use? I'm guessing texture rect. That would make some sense, you know? Huh. Enemy. Huh. Am I sure? I know it's delayed, but what does that mean? Are you sure? Am I sure about what? Pretty sure. Throw a trash bag into space at work today. Okay, yeah. I'm sorry. I thought that's one of my favorite memes. I'm sorry I didn't recognize it at first. I do love Cecil too. Cecil was a pretty good one. Whereas Omni-Man is actually my favorite. But I'm not gonna say it right now because that would be like a holy cornball moment, if you know what I'm saying. So time to continue with this video. Because what kind of texture was I supposed to use? What, I forgot to ask that because I don't know, you know, the mesh actually, you know, was pretty obvious, but this is all like green stuff. I prefer the blue stuff. I only use the green stuff for like main menus so far, so I'm not sure what it does. Please, somebody help. Please. Oh no, I only have 2 viewers. It's dropping down. That's not good. Let's use. Wait, 2D. Just if I just do 2D, we have animated sprite. That's not a texture. Oh wait, Discord. Somebody said something about textures. Texture go brr. Yes, it does. Texture rect. Okay. You're committed to this. Yes, you are. What are you committed to? Just like out of curiosity. Maybe I'm like a little bit slow, but that's just me. Texture rect. So now we have a texture rect. And I'm guessing I make it a. Oh. Wait. Oh, wait. Yes. What's this? What the? Oh my god, that is actually so cool. Oops, what did I just do? Wow, that's cool. Okay, now I stop because I was gonna. Does it work? No, not exactly. Where am I? Help. There. Oh, it does work. That's super cool. I was just zoomed in way too much. That's super cool. We have a texture rect guy, type of guy. Time to keep it rolling. Take it to the top. I got this like stuck on my brain right now. So we make the collision shape now. We make it a I'm not even sure. This is a rectangle, right? Yeah. Collision shape, rectangle, but it's like it's a long rectangle. What the rectangle? So it's like this, maybe a little bit smaller. It would be awkward if it died because of this little candy wrapper thingy. This feels pretty solid. Am I right? Alright, I'm gonna have to take a little bit of a pause right now. Sorry about this. Tiny bit. You guys just like chat for a bit. I'll see you in a tiny bit. What the? Okay. You guys did call chat while I was away. That's cool. I have chatters, I guess. If you can't even grab fish, is it even a game? Well, I mean, what if just think about this for a minute. What if we have like a feature in this game where one of the weapons is a fish, where you grab it and throw it? Just thinking, since you guys have been talking about grabbing fish for so long, and this, if you can't even grab a fish, is it even a game? I was just thinking, maybe that's a cool idea. We might have to write that down. Oh shit. Nope. Oh man, I said the bad word again. Well, I'm gonna experiment with one thing. I need to check one thing. Chat. So, I might have oh, wait. So, I'm just working some things out right now. Okay, nice. So, that's why my game is better, not because of the dungeon generation, not because of the advanced eye, because you can grab fish. Of course, Kyle, right? Of course, man. So I think this idea that you guys have given me is insanely good, and we should definitely implement it. So I'm just gonna write this down. Okay, I'm gonna write this down in my YouTube description for no apparent reason. And I am going to add a fish as a weapon in my video game. So that means I'm committed to this fish weapon because, you know, fish is healthy. And if you want to check out my description, it's out now, and it says that I'm gonna add a fish. And now we continue with the character because I've been like kind of lacking or whatever. Okay, time to continue. Okay, a little bit of a pause. Let's go to the other video, which is a whole 11 seconds. Navigation region. That's a cool little thing. Did you hear that? You didn't hear that. No. I just farted. You didn't hear that. I'm telling you guys. Trust me. Nobody heard anything. Opera cat noises. Yeah. I love these. The only thing I want to keep from this Opera GX mod pack is the cat noises. The opening tab noises are a little bit annoying. You know, goodbye and hello. You know, but you know, if you know who Good Times with Scar is, absolute legend. Yeah, I love the cat noises. Okay. Time to get a navigation region create. I don't really know what a navigation region is, but I'm committed to learn what it is. So this navigation region is what the hell is this? What the? Oh my god. Let's see it. Polygon resource node. Create and assign one. Whoa. What is this? Should I create and assign one? Yes, sir. We just created and assigned one. Oh, this thing. Okay, so I clearly missed something, right? No. Yes, I did, but it wasn't shown, I think. Full. Look at the video. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh! That's cool. Is it supposed to be this big? Just to check. Oh, yes, it is supposed to be this big because it's just like the places it can walk in. I think it is. Wait, you did something. What? Oh, I'm in move mode. My bad. So if we just go. Wait, no. That's wrong. That's wrong. Wait. Oh, wait. Oops. Whoopsie. Boom. And then, wait. How did you do this? Huh. Oh no, this is the wrong video. What the I'm about to have a friggin' heart attack trying to understand this. Am I watching two different videos? What the? Oh my. That was so weird. Okay, it's time we just go to end, restart the video. Yes! It looks normal. Finally. And then you hit something to make it go blue. Hit bake nav mesh. This? No. Yes, this. Yes? Clear navigation volume. Bake. I'm guessing that makes sense. that makes sense. It looks like what it looked like in your video. So yeah. It's time to do something more with this guy for some reason. Let's watch this video. Oh, am I supposed to drag the player into the scene? Is that a good idea? For just, reference or whatever? I don't know. Boom. No, that's not how it works. Boom. Oh no, that was a script. The script is supposed to be in the scripts folder. That's totally my idea. No, my bad. Are we going to this one? Yes. Okay, that's cool. The one I sent you. Okay. I will do that, but I think I'm gonna have to end the stream now because yeah, I just have to. It's just emergency. But we hit the 2-hour mark. That's actually insane. And 42 views, and max concurrent viewers were like 9 or something. Chat rate was at 14 at some point. Just like thank you guys for sticking with me, and I'll start uploading right now.